Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto by Harry, and in this video we are going to talk about price prediction of GMT-USDT. This is a 2-hour time frame chart. So I opened a 4-hour time frame chart, but these EMAs 50 and 200, the 200 EMA wasn't visible. So before proceeding with the video, I would like to invite you guys to my Telegram channel where I post constant market updates and signals and much more. So I posted a signal over here to accumulate more ETH in the coming days. So make sure to join my channel from the link below in description, and let's start the video. So GMT right now is sitting in a bullish pennant over here. So this structure over here is a bullish pennant, and you guys can see over here, this is how a bullish pennant looks, and GMT is sitting in a similar structure right now, and the immediate support to the downside is at 0.786 Fibonacci level at 2.21. This is an immediate support to the downside. So the industry standard is to conclude 3 supports to the downside and 3 resistances to the upside. That's a general industry standard for any analyst to conclude the prices. So I will mention first 3 supports to the downside. So the first support to the downside is at 0.78 Fibonacci level at $2.21. The second support to the downside is at 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is also called the golden ratio, and it's at 2.12. And then the third support to the downside is at 0.5 Fibonacci level at $2.0. So these supports need to be respected, and in my opinion, if GMT is going to come down right now from this support over here, so for example, if this support gets broken at 2.2 level, so if this support at 2.2 level gets broken, then we can possibly see GMT retesting this level of 2.1, and previously we have bounced from this support a lot of times over here. This has been a region of reversal for GMT for a while, but if we get if GMT breaks below this support also, then $2.0 is going to be a support for GMT below. So the price action could look something like this. We come down over here, we move slightly up over here, we come down again over here, and then we move for an uptrend over here. So the break above this bullish pennant is going to be very good for GMT. So what we can say right now is that GMT is preparing a momentum over here in this region. So this is a momentum over here being prepared, or accumulation being done over here. These type of accumulations are called higher level accumulations. So these accumulations are low level accumulations. So these ones are low level accumulations, and these are high level accumulations at higher levels. So we are currently sitting just below this 50 EMA over here. So if this turns downwards over here like this, then we have a possible chance of GMT retesting these 2.0, 2.12 and 2.0 support levels over here. And if I was you, I will be buying at this support over here. So I will be buying at $2 over here at this support, because that's a good range for accumulation, and I can place a stop loss over here. So accumulation over here, and then I can place a tight stop loss of 7% if we close below this 200 EMA over here and this support. Okay, so if anyone is willing to enter into GMT right now, I would suggest him to place an order at these 2 supports at $2.12 and $2.0. So these will be the 2 supports. I will place an order over here, not at this 2.21, because I think it looks weak. So the trade setup will look something like this. We place a buy order over here, and then we place a stop loss slightly below this, so we can just do over here, but make sure that you guys are placing a stop loss over here, but make sure we get a 4-hour candle close. and the target to the upside we can have over here like this. Okay, so this is a zone of resistance over here, and the first target to the upside, I'll just mark this point over here, this one. This is a resistance zone. So the first target to the upside for GMT is going to be $2.48. Make sure to mark these levels on your chart or either write them on a paper so you don't forget them. The second resistance to the upside will be $2.68, and this is a 1.618 Fibonacci level. And these resistances are going to be the target or the profit taking zones for GMT. So $2.68 and $2.48. Okay, and I really think that GMT, if it accumulates over here in this way it is doing right now, we can have another run upwards, possibly to all-time high or even more. So, but we have to keep in another scenario in mind. So if GMT breaks below this 200 EMA and this bullish pennant, then we can possibly retest these zones over here. That's completely possible, because whatever goes up, it's going to come down. So this is going to be our demand zone over here. So GMT can even come to $1.2, $1.3 region. This is very possible, guys. It's completely possible. Most of you guys, when a coin starts going up, they forget that we can have a correction. Even BTC, when it's going 20, 30, 40, 50% up, it even tends to have a correction of 20% or 15%. That's possible. So make sure that if you guys are planning to enter into GMT, enter with proper risk management, and only buy on the supports which I have mentioned over here. So the 2.12 and 2.0 are going to be your buying region, and 2.48 is going to be our first target for the upside. 2.68 is going to be our second target to the upside, and this all-time high is going to be another resistance. And if we break and close above this all-time high, then we can possibly go to these regions above over here, but that's very far right now. We need to see how GMT reacts to this pennant, and let's see how everything goes, guys. I will meet you guys with another video. Until then, take care and manage your risk, trade safely. Bye bye.